If disaster struck tonight, would your family know exactly what to do? In just 2 minutes, discover the simple steps to keep everyone safe, no matter what comes. Emergencies don't wait for anyone. Storms, blackouts, wildfires can happen anytime. Having a clear family emergency plan means you won't waste precious seconds deciding what to do. It's about protecting the people you love, with clarity, not chaos. Build a basic emergency kit water for at least 3 days, non-perishable food, first aid supplies, flashlights with extra batteries, and copies of important documents. And don't forget, a backup phone charger can be a lifeline. Okay, so first, map out 2 exit routes from your home. Then, choose a meeting spot in case you're separated. Practice drills twice a year, kind of like a fire drill at school. And make sure kids know how to call for help, even if you're not there. Preparation isn't fear, it's love in action. Start building your family's emergency plan today. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe for more survival tips and turn uncertainty into confidence.